Okay, students, shall I start? Okay, then now next is I need to determine the mutual information, okay, by using two noise cascaded channel. Okay, the question here it is given. The question is given that okay, we need to determine two noisy channels. Okay, two noisy channels are cascaded. There are two channels are cascaded. Okay, whose channel matrix whose channel matrices is given by okay, that is P of y by x is equal to 1 by 5, 1 by 5 and 3 by 5 and next is 1 by 2, 1 by 3 and 1 by 6. Okay, and next it is P of z by y is given as 0, this is 0. Okay, 3 by 5, 2 by 5, 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 0, 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2. Okay, this is the channel matrix it is given. We need to find out the mutual information. Okay, along with that, we given P of x1, probability of x1 is equal to probability of x2 is 1 by 2. We need to determine overall mutual information. I of x comma z. Okay, it is given. Okay, now here we need to draw the channel diagram by using these two matrices. We need to draw the channel diagram for these two matrices here. Okay, we have x1, x2, and this is y1, y2, and y3. And again we have here y1, y2, and y3. And this is z1, z2, and z3 we have here. Okay, so first we connect the x1 to y1. Okay, from x to y channels. Okay, so let me take the y act as an intermediate channel here, nothing but cascade channel x, and this is my, let me take this is y here, y1, and this is x2, and this is, let me take this is y2 and y3. Okay, so here x1 to y1 it is given as 1 by 5. Okay, from the channel matrix. Again, y2 to x1 it is given as, this is also 1 by 5 here. And x1 to y3 is, this is 3 by 5. Okay, now we have to connect yx2 to y1. Okay, what is the probability? That is Yeah, y1 to y1 by x1, it is probability of 1 by 2. Okay, and p of y2 by x2 is given as 1 by 3. And next is p of y3 by x3, it is given as 1 by 6. Sorry, this is not, actually this is wrong. Okay, it is given as 1 by 3. This is 1 by 3. Okay, so sorry. Okay, and next is here from x2 to, sorry, y1, z1, this is z1, z2, and this is z3. We need to connect x, y, z1 to y1. There is no connection between z1 by y1. That is because of 0 here. Then y, z2 by y1. It is 3 by 5 here. Okay, again z3, z3 by y1. It is 2 by 5. This is how much? 2 by 5 here. Okay, and again from y z1 by y2, z1 by y1, y2 it is 1 by 3 from the channel matrix. Again z2 by y2, z2 by y2 it is 2 by 3, and z3 by y2 is 0. There is no connection. Now z1 by y1, y3, z1 by y3, it is given as 1 by 2, and again it is z2 by y3, it is 0, means no connection. Again z3 by y3 is given as 1 by 2 here. Okay, this is the channel diagram using channel matrix. Okay, we need to determine I of x comma z, mutual information. Okay, so this is the channel diagram for the given matrix. Okay, so we have to determine I of x comma z. What is I of x comma z? That is nothing but is equal to h of z minus h of z by x here. This is the formula we have to use in order to determine mutual information of h of I of x comma z here. Okay, now let us determine the mutual probability of p of z1 by x1. How can we determine p of z1 by x1? Let me draw the here simple diagram in order to understand how we are going to write. Okay, so this is my x1. Okay, and wherever it is connected, you just, this is y1 and this is z1 here. Okay, let me draw only for x1 and y1. This is the probability, conditional probability. It is 1 by 5 here. Again y2, it is how much? It is 1 by 5. Again this is y3. This is how much? Here y3 by x1, it is 3 by 5 here. Okay, and next what? We need to connect again from Z1 by Y1 from the diagram it is not given, so there is no connection. P of Z1 by Y2, this is how much? This is 1 by 3, and P of Z1 by 3 it is how much? It is 1 by 2. Okay, so this is the channel diagram for in order to connection between P of x1 P of Z1 by x1 here. Okay, first we have to determine the P of Z1 by x1. Okay, wherever it is connected, just to write on the probability here. Okay, so P of Z1 by Y2 it is 1 by 3, but there is no connection between P of Z1 by Y1, so that is make it as a left it as a 0 here, no connection. This is no connection between P of Z1 by Y1 here. Okay, this is 1 by 3 into 1 by 5. Okay, plus again, how will you write? 1 by 2 into 3 by 5, because see here P of Z1 by Y2 and P of Y2 by X1. Multiply, you have to multiply 1 by 3 into 1 by 5 plus 1 by 2 into 3 by 5. After multiplying this, you get P of Z1 by X1. It becomes 11 by 30. Are you following me? Okay, so like that we have to determine P of Z1 by X1 here. Okay, next similarly, again if I draw the channel diagram P of Z1 by X2, again you have to draw and you have to write the probability and you have to multiply. Okay, so for that again what it will comes, again we get this is X2. Okay, X2 to Y1 is connection is there. This is, let me take Y1. Okay, of probability of conditional probability 1 by X. Okay, and again this is Z2 here. Okay, of probability of 3 by 5. Okay, and again P of Y2 by X2. This is Y2. What is the probability? 1 by 3, and this is again P of Y2 by X2. It is connection is there. That is channel connection. That is the conditional probability of 2 by 3. Again, this is Y3. I will take P of Y3 by X2. It is given. Okay, and again it is going to connect to where? Here it is connected. This is P of Y1. This is Z1 is connected. P of Z1 by Y2 it is how much? It is 1 by 3, and P of Z2 by Y2 is connected, and P of Y3 is Z1 by Y3 it is how much? It is 1 by 2. Okay, so first I am determining P of Z1 by X2. P of Z1 by X2 is nothing but what? Where it is connected? P of Z1 by Y2. Okay, P of Z1 by Y2 is how much? So let me write here P of, sorry, Z1 by Y2, because there is no connection P of Z1 by Y1. Okay, into P of Y2 by X2 plus P of, okay, next is what? P of Z2 by Y2, P of Y2 by X2 here. But there's no connection of There is no connection here. For P of Z3 by Y3, so that is make it as a 0. Okay, P of Z1 by Y2 is how much? That is 1 by 3 into P of Y2 by X2. P of Y2 by X2 is how much? That is also 1 by 3. Plus, again, P of Z2 by Y2. P of Z2 by Y2 is how much? It is 2 by. It is 1 by 2 into 1 by 6. Okay, determine the channel path and assign the probability values. After simplification, I get it as a 7 by 36 here. Okay, so this is P of Z1 by X2. Similarly, did you copy this? Okay, similarly, for all the probabilities, you have to determine P of Z2 by X1 is equal to, similarly find out the channel, draw the channel diagram, find out the values. After that, I will get 1 by 5 into 3 by 5 plus 1 by 5 into 2 by 3. After simplification, you will get 19 by 75. Okay, and similarly, P of Z2 by X2. P of Z2 by X2, find out the probabilities. Okay, whatever the channel it is connected, if I want to write, that becomes, so here this is P of, okay, Z1 by Y1 into P of Y1 by X1 plus P of Z2 by Y2 into P of Y2 by X2. Okay, plus P of Z3 by Y1, P of Y1 by X2. Okay, so like that you determine the probabilities values and assign the probability value. Okay, so you will get, after simplification, after assigning, okay, so that is, it will becomes 47 by 90 you will get. Similarly, for P of X3 by, sorry, Z3 by X1 is equal to, it becomes 19 by 50. Okay, and similarly for P of Z3 by X2, after simplification, it will become 17 by 60 here. Okay, the next is you have to draw the channel diagram for this. It will becomes, okay, this is X1 and X2. Okay, and this is Z1, Z2 and Z3 here. Okay, it will becomes for this, it becomes, the value is 11 by 30. Again, this is becomes 19 by 75. And it will becomes 19 by 50. Okay, and similarly, we have Z1 by X2. It becomes 7 by 36, and it will becomes 47 by 90, and it will becomes 17 by 60. Okay, so next is what we have to determine I of x comma z here. Okay, I of x comma z is given as h of z minus h of z by y. Okay, now I'm going to determine I of x comma z is equal to h of z minus h of z by x. Okay, so first we need to, if I want to determine h of z by y, sorry, h of z by x, I need joint probability matrix. Nothing but what is h of z by x. If I write the formula, it becomes by summation I and summation j of p of xi comma zj into log of 1 by p of zj by xi. Okay, so for that we need joint probability matrix here. We need joint probability matrix. What is joint probability matrix? P of xi comma zj is equal to P of xi into P of zj by xi. Okay, so we need to determine the joint probability matrix. Okay, so by using this formula, we need to determine the joint probability matrix because P of x1 is equal to P of x2 in the problem it is given 1 by 2. We know that conditional probability matrix by using channel diagram multiply with P of x1. So it becomes, what it becomes, we have 11 by 30 for P of z1 by x1. Let me write the conditional probability matrix for P of z j by xi. Okay, by using channel diagram, what it becomes, this is 11 by 30. Okay, and this is 19 by 15. This is, so this is 19 by 75, and this is 19 by 50. And next is 7 by 36, and this is 47 by 90. This is 17 by 60. This is joint probability, sorry, conditional probability matrix here. Just we have to multiply 1 by 2 for all this. Okay, it will becomes 11 by 60, 19 by 150, and 19 by 100. And this is 7 by 72. This is 47 by 180. And this is 17 by 120. Okay. So this is the joint probability matrix. Okay. So we need to determine h of z by x. Okay. So h of z by x is equal to summation I is equal to 1 to 2, summation j is equal to 1 to 3. Okay, P of xi comma zj log of 1 by p of zj by xi. So it will becomes, substitute all the values. I am going to substitute all the values without expansion of the formula. So I am by 60 into log of 30 by 11 less 19 by 150 into log of 75 by 19 less 19 by 100 log of 50 by 19 plus 7 by 72 into log of 36 by 7 plus 47 by 180 into log of 90 by 47 plus 17 by 120 into log of 60 by 17. Okay, after simplification, what is the value of h of z by x? Will you tell anybody? The answer is 1.513 bits per message symbol. Okay, so next determine h of z. H of z formula we have to determine. Okay, so h of z is nothing but what? H of z is equal to summation I is equal to 1 to 3. Okay, p of zi into log of 1 by p of zi. Okay, so we expand. Okay, so p of z1. P of z1 is equal to 11 by 60 because channel diagram. P of z1 is equal to 11 by 60 plus, that is p of z1 by x1 divided plus p of z1 by x2. Okay, this is 7 by 72. Okay, it will becomes 101 divided by 360. Okay, similarly, we are getting p of z2. P of z2 is by using joint probability matrix. Okay, so we know that p of xi comma zj is equal to p of zj, this is zj, into p of xi by zj. Okay, so we can determine this p of zj by using this joint probability matrix. Okay, and next is similarly for p of z2, it becomes 349 divided by 900. After simplification, I'm writing direct answer, and p of z3 is equal to 199 by 600. Okay, so by using substituting in the h of z formula, h of z is equal to formula we are going to substitute. I'm going to subscribe the value, that is I is equal to 1 to 3 p of zi into log of 1 by p of zi. Directly I'm substituting, I will get h of z. This 101 divided by 360 into log of 360 by 101 plus 349 divided by 900 into log of 900 divided by 349 plus 199 divided by 600 into log of 600 divided by 199. Okay, after simplification, the h of z becomes 1.572 bits per message symbol. Okay, so next is what mutual information. I of x comma z is equal to h of z minus h of z by x. Okay, we determine h of z is how much? 1.572 minus 1.573. It will becomes 0.0588 bits per message symbol. Okay, so this is I of x comma z. Okay, so this is about the today's session. Okay, if you have any doubt, means you can ask or you can join for other class. Okay, stop recording.